डॉक्टर ओपी कपूर एक मार्गदर्शक, एक डेडिकेटेड मेडिकल एक्सपर्ट, एक ग्रेट इंस्पिरेशन जिन्होंने दिया डायग्नोसिस और ट्रीटमेंट को एक नया मुकाम और जिन्हें कहा जाता है मेडिकल फ्रेटर्निटी का गाइडिंग स्टार।
And I'd just like to say that Dr. O.P. Kapoor is truly a living legend. I think his passion, his zest for life, and his energy levels at his age, I hope when I'm that age, I would be the same. I really truly hope for that.
As far as Dr. Gopi Kapoor is concerned, he's 80 years old and I think he's more fit than me. At least he looks it, definitely. I definitely think he should teach forever.
अब मुझे पता चला है कि आप लोग सुबह सुबह 7 बजे क्यों आते हैं यहाँ पर। सर आपके सारे लेक्चर्स ऐसे ही होते हैं। लवली। इस बात का ताज्जुब नहीं है कि 330 हो गए। इस बात का ताज्जुब है कि कभी लेट नहीं हुए।
I often used to hear two names while growing up, and that was Raj Kapoor and Dr. O.P. Kapoor. It was a legend in my mind, and today seeing you talk, sir, has really been an honor to see you talk on stage. So thank you for all the love, the guidance for me, for my family, and I guess the entire world. Thank you so much, sir.
18 सितंबर 2016 को बॉम्बे हॉस्पिटल के बिरला मातुश्री सभागार में मेडिकल फील्ड की जानी मानी हस्ती रिनाउंड एकेडमिशियन डॉक्टर ओपी कपूर के 62वें एनुअल लेक्चर का आयोजन किया गया।
Moment I am seeing calcium there. I told you in the morning, calcium is old. Some disease yet in the past in our country, tuberculosis is a commonest, not fungus. Abroad, fungus is commonest.
इस इवेंट में चीफ गेस्ट के रूप में शामिल हुए महाराष्ट्र राज्य के कैबिनेट हेल्थ मिनिस्टर फॉर पब्लिक हेल्थ एंड फैमिली वेलफेयर डॉक्टर दीपक सावंत। इसी अवसर पर डॉक्टर ओपी कपूर के द्वारा लिखित फैमिली मेडिकल गाइड पार्ट 2 का मराठी एडिशन भी लॉन्च किया गया।
Everybody has listened Dr. O.P. Kapoor ji. But when I was a student, I still remember one of his remarks. When you auscultate the patient, don't auscultate his jab, but auscultate his heart. That was a message given by him to us. Whatever you do with consciousness and don't go after the money. That was the message given by him in his one of the lecture which I remember. I have read your book for the common person. Before inaugurating, Dr. Shashi Kapoor gave me this book. And really it is a wonderful book that every house should have that book. Your work is like a lamppost for the today's general practitioners. And everybody should read your books and try to practice with the ethics in his career. I will recommend your name for the Padma Shri Award, and that will be salute from Dr. Deepak Sawant. Thank you.
इस मौके पर डॉक्टर ओपी कपूर ने फैमिली मेडिकल गाइड के बारे में जानकारी दी और अपने करियर के कुछ प्रेशियस एक्सपीरियंसेस शेयर किए।
The idea is to educate the public that when you have any complaints, refer there, whether it's a headache, vomiting, diarrhea, backache, pain in the chest, pain in the shoulder, etc. And then decide whether you should go to doctor or not. And second book is regarding investigation. Doctor says get an backache, get an MRI done. Should you go for MRI? Is it really required? Public should also learn. Everybody has to be educated. I mean, you got fever, you got 100 blood tests have to be asked for. Are they required? Or should you go for a health checkup? So all these things I've discussed in that part 2. But this is the second edition of part 1 Marathi, which was released the first book was released about 20 years back. So I used to speak till 2:30. And rainy season, heavy rainy season. And we used to have 1,000 to 1,500 people. They could sit on the ground, they could sit below the stage here. Went on for 27 years till I was 80 years old.
इस इवेंट में शामिल डॉक्टर ओपी कपूर के एल्यूमिनाई स्टूडेंट्स ने अपने टीचर से जुड़े बहुत सारे वाक़ये शेयर किए।
उनके जो तजुर्बा है, आज वो 84 इयर्स के हैं, उनका जो तजुर्बा है, इतने लाखों करोड़ों पेशेंट्स जो उन्होंने देखे हैं, उन तजुर्बे में से जो भी उनकी जो सीख है, उनका जो जूस है उनके पढ़ाई का या उनके एक्सपीरियंस का, वो निस्वार्थ वो हमें अपने लेक्चरों में बताते हैं। तो ये जानने के लिए हम हर साल उनका लेक्चर अटेंड करते हैं और ये हमें जो मिलता है वो एक्चुअली हमारा रिवॉर्ड है। वो हमारी माँ बाप ने जन्म तो दे दिया हमको, लेकिन हमारी ज़िंदगी एज ए डॉक्टर को एक जो मीनिंग दिया है, जो मतलब दिया है, जो एक डॉक्टर का और पेशेंट के साथ जो रिलेशन होना चाहिए, जैसे उसको अपना नाम बनाना चाहिए, उसके पीछे उसकी लीगेसी कैसे रहनी चाहिए, वो सारी चीज़ें हमें सर के थ्रू मिलती है उनके लेक्चर में।
डॉक्टर कपूर के लेक्चर्स हमेशा से अपने स्टूडेंट्स के लिए एक इंस्पिरेशन रहे हैं। पिछले 62 सालों से मेडिकल स्टूडेंट्स को सेल्फलेसली पढ़ाने वाले डॉक्टर कपूर आज की जनरेशन के लिए एक आइडियल बन चुके हैं।
The thing what we don't find in the books now, he's just taking out that thing and giving us in the lecture, like wonderful experience. I have no words, I'm speechless.
I'm attending since last 4 years. It has been a very good experience. We have learned many new things which I can put into my practice as well as my academics as well.
I have only visited for two to three lectures right now. It is very interesting to know about more and more details which we get for journal practice.
We got various types of knowledgeable experiences, particularly how to deal with patients and the scope of vast medical knowledge is the science which is going and expanding beyond, as well as the basic thing to keep up with medical ethics and a genuine medical practice.
I was not interested in medical studies, but after attending Dr. O.P. Kapoor's lectures, I am encouraged for studying more and more about medical studies, and I love the way he diagnoses the diseases.
इस इवेंट में हर तरफ गूंज रहे थे प्रशंसा और सम्मान के स्वर। इस इवेंट की समाप्ति के साथ डॉक्टर कपूर के प्रति सबके मन में थी एक श्रद्धा की भावना और उनके डेडिकेशन की सराहना सभी कर रहे थे।